additional public prosecutor in this court. I have started my journey as an advocate from the year 2020, 2003. I have taken my first case before this honorable court after completion of my law. I joined the office of Usman Sheikh Saab. Thereafter, I even represented as a assistant VP to him, and also I practiced before civil court and criminal courts. And after the journey of 23 years, I am standing before you. It's really a proud moment for me because this is the court where I have started my practice, and today I am standing for you. The main key agenda of is that we advocates are the main pillar of judicial system, but we are all deprived of the key benefits. The entire court fees which is collected is used for the judicial process, but we being the court officers are denied the benefits in the court fee. My primary agenda is that we advocates should get at least 10% share in the court fee. Recently, State of Kerala has amended Kerala Suit Valuation and Court Fees Act, wherein a 1% share was allotted to advocates. Likewise, in the Protected Tenancy Act, a 60% share was given to the tenants and 40% share was given to the landlords. The logic behind the act was that tenants are the real persons who put their all efforts from morning to evening. As such, they were granted 60% share and 40% share was given to the landlord. In similar manner, we advocates start our day from the court and we work 8 hours in the court. Thereafter, again we go to our offices. So we are putting our entire day, because of which the judges are able to deliver the justice. Without advocates, judicial system cannot stand. But unfortunately, we are deprived of the basic necessities. In most of the bar association, the basic facilities are lacking. Many of the advocates who are contesting in the elections and all are offering that a benefit should be extended to the advocates. From the formation of Bar Council till date, we all know what are our problems, what are our necessities. But unfortunately, there was no concrete step was taken that the advocate's problem can be answered. Without funds, no welfare scheme is possible. We have appeared before the government and sought for the aid. But we are the court officers. We should not ask for the aid. We should take our rightful share. If 10% court fees is allotted to the advocates, the advocate fraternity will become self-sufficient. We can stand on our own. Every time we need not approach the government. The reason why our problems have not been solved, because till date no effective representation was done on behalf of the advocates. When candidates are spending about 50 lakhs to 1 crore for the election, definitely after getting elected, they will indulge in the recovery process. So it is our duty to see that the candidates we are electing should work for our fraternity. We should elect our representatives, not our bosses. With this agenda, I am before you that if a collective efforts are done, if all bar associations comes together and resolution is passed that we should get a share of at least 10% in the court fee, then definitely it can be achieved. Government of Telangana has sanctioned 1,000 crore rupees for the construction of High Court. And in various district courts, crores of projects are going on. But unfortunately, there is no share of the advocates. We are still starving. The reason behind is that there is no effective demand ever made by our community to the government. It is the duty of the Bar Council to act as a bridge between the advocates and the government. Our problems shall be brought to the notice of the government, then only a solution can be achieved. But unless a demand is kept, it cannot be answered. If collectively we put the demand before the government and if a 10% share is allotted to the advocates, all problems can be solved. I am working as a additional public prosecutor from about 18 months. My conduct is before you. Without seeking any favor, I always stood as a court officer. No person can say that ever a 1 rupee benefit was extended to me. With that integrity, I am before you. And the main intention of contesting this election is the profession which has given me a lot. I should do something for it. With same integrity, I want to work and I want to get the goals achieved, that a rightful share should be given to us. For the welfare of the advocates, for the stipend, for the pension of the senior advocates, every welfare scheme, funds are necessary. It is quid pro quo scheme. Court Fees Act is quid pro scheme. Give something and take something. Court fees cannot be used for any other purpose. It is not a tax. This is what the principle laid down by the apex court. But in spite of which, we being addressed as a court officer in every judgment, and we are the key pillars of the judicial system, we are deprived of our rightful share. For every problem we are facing, the solution is the funds. So for getting the funds, it is just necessary that we should come together and we should achieve the goal of getting 10% change in the court fee. And regarding Advocates Protection Act, since 2008, I am running my office. I have filed several writ petitions and even a public interest litigation when the advocates were attacked. And my office was always open for all our brother advocates. And with intention that we can collectively achieve Advocates Protection Act, all the crimes against the advocate should be made non-bailable offence. Then only the Advocate Protection Act will be effectively implemented. So I request you all to consider my candidature. Seeing my past conduct, with same integrity, I want to work for this association. And if a bar council act as a bridge between the government and the advocates, we can collectively achieve our goals. Thank you. Remember me, my number is 180. Thank you.
Show your number.
बोल दिया brother, एक बार दे दी. Remember, and I am seeking vote on the basis of my previous conduct, not for a 2 months or 3 months campaign. You have seen me for 20 years. You have seen my conduct. So please remember me, 180. Thank you. Thank you, sir.